respected principal, teachers, proud parents, and most especially our fellow dear students. Welcome to our Grade School Recognition Day. Today is a very special occasion as we gather to celebrate the hard work, achievements, and dedication of us young learners. This day is not only about awards and recognition, but also about appreciating the effort, perseverance, and growth each student has shown. Throughout the school year, to our dear students, you have worked hard, faced challenges, and continued to do your best. Today, we honor your achievements and excellence and encourage you to keep striving for excellence. To the parents and guardians, thank you for your love, support, and guidance. Your encouragement plays a big role in shaping the success of us children. And to our teachers, thank you for your patience, commitment, and passion in guiding us students every day. Once again, welcome everyone. Let us enjoy this memorable celebration of success and achievement. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, At this juncture, you are going to witness an intermission number from one of our students who participated